In this video, I will guide you how to insert rightwards arrow below in MS Word. So for this, you need to click on the insert and click on the equations on the right side. Then equation editor will open, and in the structure group, go to the operators and click on that. And now in the operator structure, here is the rightward arrow below. Click on that. A box and arrow will appear here. Click inside the box and type the desired text. For example, assets and whatever you like to write. And here you can easily insert rightwards arrow below in MS Word. If you want to change the text, then double click on the text and remove the text and type new text. For example, right arrow in MS Word. So this way you can easily insert rightwards arrow below in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.